Language part 3. Again, we're talking about a brand foundation. We've spent the past couple of weeks talking about the importance of story and having language. I want to take a little bit deeper dive into that story and what makes a great story and what that language needs to include. What's really important that I think a lot of people miss out on is the idea of having a problem. Problems and big problems and good problems are what make a story a story. It's what makes something interesting. If you don't articulate a problem, if you can't articulate the problem, if you can't share the problem, if you can't speak about the problem, it's not a good story. I have a 3-year-old and I have a 5-year-old, and I hate the books without a problem. Here's a color, they did this, there's no problem. If I said, yesterday I climbed a tree, you would probably think, oh, that's kind of weird. But if I said, yesterday I climbed a tree because a pack of dogs was chasing after me and I was afraid for my life. As soon as I introduce a problem, you perk up. In your marketing and in your branding and in the language foundation that you write, you need to articulate, what is the problem my customer faces? What is keeping them from getting their goals? You need to articulate that problem, tickle that problem, and talk about how your product solves that problem.